Hi, I'm Meris, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the top 3 biggest mistakes I have made while trying to use a planner and how the Level Up RN nursing school planner was designed with you in mind to overcome these mistakes. So let's get into it. The first mistake is thinking you don't need a planner. Yes, you do. You are going to think that you're going to remember everything because you have a syllabus or because you scribble little notes down in the margins of your notes. That is not enough. I know you are going to say to yourself, I'll remember that. Spoiler alert, you will not remember it. You need a planner, and you need a planner that is available to help you with your unique needs. I used to try using other planners that were made for different things because they were big name brands or because my friend used it and they said it was good. But if it wasn't made with my unique needs in mind, it wasn't something that was helpful to me, and I ended up abandoning it and being back where I started, not using a planner and thinking that I was going to remember it all. You gotta write this stuff down, and you need to have it in one place. Which brings me to mistake number 2. I used to think that I needed to have 2 different planners. One for planning my school life, my studying, my tests, my papers, my clinical, my simulation and labs, all of those different things, and another one for my personal life. I went to nursing school as a mom. I started nursing school while I was pregnant and I had a toddler at home already. And I tried to use 2 different planners because I needed to keep track of my family's life and all of the different things that I need to do in my personal life, doctor's appointments and errands and things of that nature. And what I found was things were getting dropped, right? If I've got 2 planners, I'm gonna miss something, or I'm gonna duplicate my efforts. I'm gonna write it in 2 different planners, or I'm gonna think that I wrote it in one, but I didn't. Using one planner is the single most important thing that I can tell you. You gotta use a planner and you need to use one of them. This planner was created with you, a nursing student, in mind. This planner is unique in that it addresses all of your needs when it comes to nursing school, whether that is your schedule, your upcoming future assignments, your study tracking, being aware of your lab, clinical, and simulation schedule, and having reference pages at the end that tell you all the things that you're always looking up while you're on the go, plus pep talks, studying, test taking, and clinical tips, are very famous, very favorite cool chicken hints. All of those things are baked into this calendar to help you through nursing school. But we know that you are not just a nursing student. You are a whole, unique, complex individual with your own life outside of school, and those needs differ from person to person. So we made sure to pull out a spot for you to keep track of other tasks as well that are not related to school, and to track habits that you might find unique or interesting for you. Not everybody is going to be concerned about tracking things like going to the gym or having enough water or meditating or taking a specific medicine. So whatever you need, we've created the space for you to make this planner your own. And the last mistake, the third one that I make, is that I was so focused on the aesthetics of the planner. I would spend so much money buying the cutest planner and buying all the stickers and pens and highlighters and accessories and all the things that I would see the planner girlies using to make their planners look so cute. And in fact, not only did I waste money doing that, but I also wasted my own time because I would end up in this sort of like uh, feeling of total paralysis where I wanted to make my planner look so cute, but I was afraid that I wouldn't do it right, and so I didn't use it at all. Don't worry about what it looks like, worry about how it works. And that's the other thing, is that we went out of our way to make this planner as cute as possible for you, giving you a really pretty cover, giving you different colors throughout, fun illustrations of our cool chicken every single month, and little things to help this be as cute of a planner as possible and not something that is just black ink on white pages. So I really hope you do use a planner, and I hope you check this one out. It's a phenomenal resource to use in nursing school and beyond, and I'm really excited to hear what you think about it. If you want to get one for yourself, You can grab it at leveluprn.com. And once you get it, I want to hear it. Come back, leave me a comment, tell us the things that you love the most about this planner, and give us your feedback. Tell us the ways that we can make this even better for the next time around, because we want this to be your one-stop shop for all things nursing school. All right, I'll see you later. Thanks so much and happy studying.
We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.